Okay, so today we've got the video for page 15. You're going to need this guy right here, the rock cycle, and then you're going to need this paper as well, but you're going to cut it off to just use the bottom part. Okay, let's get started. So once you got those two things, come on back and we'll get started. So we've got first the rock cycle, a series of processes, that means like a chunk of things that change one type of rock into another type of rock. So we've got some new facts here. So this is kind of what can happen. But uplift, which moves rocks onto Earth's surface, so things are lifted up. Telling you what's going on above Earth's surface. Rocks change due to natural processes: weathering, erosion, deposition, compaction, and cementation. Remember we talked about that, mostly sedimentary rock. What's happening beneath Earth's surface? Rocks change due to extreme temperatures, pressure, and melting. So here you're going to answer these questions. What is uplift? Uplift is ... Finish that. What natural processes change rocks? The natural processes that change rocks are, list them. What happens under the Earth's surface to change rocks? Under Earth's surface, blank, 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 changes rocks. Okay, that's going to go up here at the top. Make sure that you don't cover up 15 or you rewrite it. And we're going to need this guy. Geologists sort rocks too. Per usual, my alarm went off. Okay, so geologists sort lots of rocks. We didn't get a chance to do this because of time. But we did look at the three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. So we're going to sort them by how they're made into the three types of rocks. So igneous rocks are made when what has cooled? Yes, you sure I know this. Magma or lava. Intrusive igneous rocks are when magma that has cooled inside, inside the earth, and extrusive lava that has cooled outside or exited. So characteristics, that means like things about them. So it's like if you were describing a character in a book. Igneous rocks are not layered. Intrusive have large or small? Yes, large, because they take a long time to grow. Extrusive can either be glass-like or have air pockets, or they just might have small crystals. So examples of some intrusive ones: granite, that's the one we looked at in class, diorite, and gabbro. Some extrusive, we looked at basalt and obsidian. We also looked at pumice, and another one is this scoria. Then we've got sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary. So what are sedimentary rocks made of? Oh, right, sediments. It's right in the name. Sediments get deposited at the bottom of the ocean and get compacted, remember, squeezed, compacted together. After many years, the layers become cemented or glued together. Characteristics of sedimentary rocks: they have layers. They can have grains of sediment. They are just particles or sediment that have been cemented together. They can have fossils. The other two cannot. They typically do not have crystals. So some examples of this one: limestone, sandstone, that's just a bunch of sand squished together. Conglomerate, that's a bunch of sediment. Shale, and coal, like you burn on a fire. Now we've got metamorphic. They are made by intense heat and pressure. They used to be another rock that changed due to that heat and pressure. Remember, that is extreme or intense heat and pressure. They are typically very hard because they've been squeezed together so tightly. The crystals are aligned. That means they get lined up. So in other words, it has crystals and layers. Some examples we have here are marble, which used to be limestone, a sedimentary rock. Slate, like chalkboards, which used to be shale, another sedimentary rock. Quartzite, which used to be sandstone. And gneiss, that's pronounced nice, which used to be granite. We also have ones like soapstone, which you'll talk about in social studies. So when you're done with that, get that glued in, and that's going to be our last page for Unit 5.